remote. Here's the file that is local. You're supposed to merge the two files. And in the same meaning as a git diff tool, this one gives you an idea of what code changed, and it shows you what is before, what is after, and how you should fix it. So again, this is recommended for a merge. Of course, I don't mean easy merges like 1 or 2 lines, but sometimes there one file that has multiple conflicts. Then this is the best way to fix them. Because when you fix a merge, like fix a conflict, then your name appears on the commit. And you don't want that commit to be bad, because it has your name on it. It's all about your name, you see. The last tool is a little bit advanced. I said a little bit because it's not that hard. And by the way, you are developers anyway, you are not designers.
Okay. No.
Are
you hiding somewhere?
No, I'm sure. Okay, so remember my point about commit early, commit often? Okay, no, I haven't said so, but you should make small commits that are easy for you to track down and easy for you to revert.
But don't shake your head, you never commit your code because you work alone.
You know why I commit my code every day.
So even if you work alone and you implement some feature, and it's not done yet, it's still meaningful to commit when you have done something that makes sense. And it's also useful to commit when you are trying out something, because you have a rollback point. So when you say, hey, I screwed up, then you have a checkpoint. Let's go back to that commit. I know it was working. Another thing is, you're doing something, you think this is the wrong way. So you check out an older version to start again, and suddenly sometime you will find out, hey, I need some code that I wrote earlier that was in the code that was aborted. What will you do? If you don't commit, then it's lost. You need to write it again. If you commit, and it's still there in the Git history, and you can roll back to it to copy, it's very useful.
Commit message this way is wrong.
Yes. So sometimes you don't want those messages to show up in a public repository when people can look at your commit and say, hey, this guy is committing a wrong way, and his commit message is stupid. You don't want that, right?
Yeah.
So you want to fix the commits that are stupid. Like commits that are like, fix a typo in a display message. Like, I missed an S, now let's add an S and then commit again. It will make yourself look like a fool. But with Git rebase, you can get rid of that. So you know about Git rebase, but Git rebase -I means interactive, allows you to do more things. And here's what it does. Okay, when you rebase up on a certain checkpoint in the past, and this is the oldest, this is the newest, and it lets you look at all the commits that you have, and it lets you choose either to pick, reword, edit, squash, fix up, eject, many things. But most of the time you use pick, reword, edit, and squash.
About fish.
I've never used it.
It just sounds cool.
Yeah, it doesn't automatically fix bugs.
Even if it's bad.
So don't expect that. A pick is a normal option that means use this commit. A reward allows you to edit the commit message. They're pretty normal. Edit means you can edit the files before committing again, which means you want to fix up some comments, then you can do it there too. There's a special thing called squash. Squash allows you to squash when press together several commits. So it's like you're doing a pop-up message. You do it the first time. You look at it. You think you miss an S. You add an S. You commit again. You look at it. You see, oh, I missed something else. you do several things on top like that, and after all, it's just one thing, right? Like make a message. So you squash up all the commits into one. That makes sense. So instead of something like the first pop-up message and then the first pop-up message with an S and then fix up the style for the message, then after all that it will appear here somewhere, and you can squash them into one, like make a message, and that will show to other people that your commit makes sense, your commit do things.
And huge.
Not that huge.
Probably not. If you fix up something like an S, then probably it's not big. It just makes sense that your commit are stable. The best thing to do, the ideal thing to do is each commit of you should be a stable copy, like nothing broken. So each commit is stable on its own state, but that's difficult to achieve. I don't try to achieve that, but I try to get rid of combo commits, like fixing up.
Commit.
Yeah. So this is a tool that let you fix that.
That really is nice.
Yes.
I didn't use that.
Is this gonna change the history?
Sure. All rebase change the history.
Oh, so when we push,
When you push, the code become public, and when it become public, you cannot fix your face anymore. You're already embarrassed. You know, when you release something that's embarrassing, you lose your face already. How to fix it?
So this is like bunch of commits that haven't pushed yet.
Yeah,
local commit.
So this is supposed to be done before you push. After you push, then you lose your face already. There's no rescue.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Actually, we have been talking about that already, right? So after you push, shouldn't you rebase any longer?
Yeah.
Yes. So
Or rebase and
I think that's it. So if you don't cover your ass, somebody you find out that you screw up and you will lose your face.
Oh, I thought that if you don't cover your ass, someone will find out you have a toe and...
That normally that people will find.
I plan to write, so cover your ass or I'll kick it, but there's not enough space. Okay, so that's it.